Dentistry isn't just teeth, it's also about muscles. Cumberland OMT is part of Verber Dental Group and is sponsoring this segment. Dr. Michael Verber is here with registered dental hygienist Cindy Santiago. Dr. Verber, let's first talk about the Verber Dental Group's newest practice. This is Cumberland OMT.
Yeah, well, as a dental health system, we're very committed to bringing the community treatments that are holistic and preventative. So OMT, which stands for Oral Facial Myofunctional Therapy, encourages the proper development of the face, the mouth, and the airway. We're seeing a lot of results from the modern lifestyle, the Western diet, the environmental factors that are really changing the way we develop. We're seeing narrower faces, crowded teeth,
Wow.
breathing problems. This is resulting in health issues, sleep apnea in adults and children. Attention deficit disorders are a result of this also. So,
Wow, that's fascinating.
yeah, it's really striking actually when you look at populations that don't have the Western diet or are kind of isolated from the industrialization. You don't see crowded teeth, for example. In our society, braces or orthodontics is almost a rite of passage.
Yep, for sure. Kids almost want them when they're little. They think like it means they're like grown up. Cindy, tell me what you do.
So as an orofacial myofunctional therapist, I would be treating children ages 4 and up, and I would meet with them and provide them with exercises that will help to promote the proper development and function of the orofacial muscles. These muscles play a huge role in life-sustaining skills like eating, breathing, and what the goal of it is to have straighter teeth, healthy sinuses, healthy airways. And my treatment, what it does is it facilitates rerouting the neural pathways from the brain to the muscles. So any deficit or disorder that is there, we're actually retraining the neural pathways and reteaching those muscles and postures of the lip and the tongue and the airway to be healthy and properly functioning.
It's so interesting, but can you tell me like some of the signs? Because as a parent, we're not dental experts, so we're not going to know. So what can we be looking for?
Sure, of course. So some of the orofacial myofunctional dysfunctions or disorders, things like mouth breathing, any kind of habit, any sucking habits, nail biting, tongue thrust, crooked teeth, actually drooling, improper chewing habits. If they're a sloppy eater, that actually could be a sign of an OMD.
Wow.
Attention deficit or behavior issues can also be a problem. Speech, there's a lot.
Who would have thought that there'd be a link between attention deficit disorder and dentistry? This is so interesting to me. You began though as a dental hygienist, so how did you get to this point?
Yes, I've been a dental hygienist for 17 years. I'm still currently practicing and recently got my specialty in OMT. And really for me, it was seeing the correlation every day with the problems between development and function and the cause and effect of that. So for example, one of the main ones is either tethered tissues like a lip or a tongue tie, and that can lead to a lot of problems. I get to work very closely with Dr. Castor, our pediatric dentist, and she's using state-of-the-art equipment to release these ties in a very comfortable manner from infants all the way up through adults. And being able to do this and then correlate with OMT to then retrain those neural pathways, we are encouraging our patients then to be able to really be set up for a healthy orofacial functioning mouth that's going to have proper airway, hopefully healthy sinuses as well. I'm really excited to be able to work with a lot of interdisciplinary providers. So I'll work closely with orthodontists, dentists, speech-language pathologists, lactation consultants, ENTs, and some other specialties in the area as well to be able to provide for all the patients in the community a emotionally and physically stable body. So that's the goal.
So interesting. Very quickly, how can we learn more?
You could go to our website at cumberlandomt.com.
Perfect. Thank you so much. This is so interesting. As we go to break, we do want to thank Verber Dental Group for sponsoring this segment for us. We will be right back.